Popeye sure is a sucker for an April Fool gag.
Thanks for watching Popeye and Pals. More classic cartoons are on the way on MeTV Toons.
I'm Popeye the Sailor Man.
Don't go anywhere. More tunes are on the way.
Come on and join us.
Guess who?
The Woody Woodpecker Show is coming up right here on MeTV Toons.
He's been papering the town with him.
Folks, is there a Mrs. Oleander Twinklebach in the audience? I have $1 billion check for her.
Come on, Charlie.
We'll be right back with more cartoons after this.
All Smurfs, please report for an emergency meeting.
If you're feeling blue, you're in the right place. You can be blue in the face, blue around the gills, have the blues.
I do the jokes around here.
You could be smurfing, or smurfing, or even need to smurf.
There is a proper time and a place for those kinds of jokes.
The Smurfs, weekdays starting at 10, 9 Central on MeTV Toons.
Find the best shows to watch with TV Guide magazine. With so many great TV shows and movies, more people are turning to TV Guide magazine. Call the number on the screen now for this exclusive TV offer, including 2 free bonus gifts. Whether you watch TV over the air, on cable, or stream, TV Guide magazine makes it easy to find the best shows to watch. Enjoy daily prime time grids covering over 80 TV networks, including the channel you're watching now. In every issue, America's favorite TV critic Matt Roush and our experts give you ratings and reviews to help you pick the best shows worth watching. It's easier than ever to find where to watch your favorite shows with TV Guide magazine. See when new seasons or episodes are coming, going, or switching to new channels. Enjoy the daily movie guide with starred ratings and explore the streaming guide in every issue. Plus, rediscover your favorite classic dramas, westerns, sci-fi, and comedies. See why more people are turning to the new and improved TV Guide magazine to make their TV viewing easier and more enjoyable. Call toll-free at 1-800-310-7177 for your risk-free trial subscription. Get a full year of TV Guide magazine for only $19.95. That's just 38 cents per week. Plus, if you call right now, you'll also receive the TV Guide magazine Big Book of Trivia and a second TV bonus, the Classic TV Shows Puzzle Book. This special TV-only offer won't last long. Call toll-free now at 1-800-310-7177 or go online to tvguidemagazine.com/6. Start enjoying TV even more. Order TV Guide magazine today.
Before you buy that used car, background check it using Bumper.com. Just scan the VIN or type it in, and Bumper's car history report is right at your fingertips. Has the car been in an accident? How many possible owners were there? What's it worth? Bumper before you buy.
All right, gang, let's get ready to blast off.
We now return to more classic cartoons.
I did it. I got rid of the ostrich.
Aren't they the cutest things?
We'll be right back with more cartoons after these messages. Every relationship has its ups and downs. But in the end, the best way to defeat an enemy is to make them a friend. The Tom and Jerry Show, today at 5, 4 Central on MeTV Toons.
Hi, I'm Kent. I just recently retired as a police officer for 31 years. Now that I'm retired, I can focus on what's important. My grandkids mean the most to me. It's very important to be active with them. Balance of Nature has been a really good product for me. I'm going to keep taking Balance of Nature forever.
Splash into your summer with our summer savings. Go to balanceofnature.com and get 50% off your first set as a preferred customer by using discount code ME.
Guys, how frustrating is it to find a great pair of jeans? They never have the right color, style, or size. Too tight here, too loose there, too long here. I have the perfect solution for you. M. Taylor Custom Jeans. Stop spending hours trying stuff on. Download the free M. Taylor app on iOS or Android. Standard jeans use just 2 measurements. M. Taylor Custom Jeans use 7 different measurements to give you the perfect fit. Design your own custom jeans for just $79. Choose from hundreds of styles. Delivered right to your door. Download the M. Taylor app. M. Taylor measures you digitally and is 20% more accurate than a professional tailor, all from home.
It was so easy to be measured by M. Taylor. It took less than 30 seconds. This is definitely my favorite pair of jeans. They fit perfectly.
To get custom jeans, shirts, or suits, your phone can measure you right now with free shipping and a money-back guarantee at just $79. Get your new favorite pair of jeans today. M. Taylor, available now on the Apple App Store, Android, and mtaylor.com.
If you like this, then you'll love this and this. You can watch animated characters on MeTV Toons.
Whoa!
Or you can watch animated live-action characters on the original MeTV.
Me?
MeTV is memorable entertainment television with over 60 memorable TV shows airing weekly.
All week? All week.
Go to MeTV.com to find out how to watch.
Watch me, will you?
The one and only original MeTV.
We're back with more classic cartoons, starting right now.
One through a red light in a bathtub.
One for you and one for me, pal.
Thank you, Chilly Willy.
See? It's much more fun to be friends.
We'll be right back with more classic cartoons after the break. MeTV Toons will have you sing stars. We're talking about the biggest cartoons.
Hello.
On Cartoon All-Stars.
I like animated cartoons very much.
Tonight at 10, 9 Central on MeTV Toons.
Attention Medicare beneficiaries. Have both Medicare and Medicaid? Now's the time to explore your options and choose the coverage that's right for you. Choose a plan that offers you more benefits at no additional cost. Millions of members turn to WellCare for benefits and services that go beyond basic Medicare and help them lead better, healthier lives. Choose a plan with $0 or low monthly premiums, copays, and deductibles. And with WellCare, you don't just pay less, you get more. More dental with comprehensive coverage. More vision and hearing with an eyewear allowance and hearing aids. plus prescription drug coverage with $0 preferred generics and free home delivery. Call us at 1-844-983-0096 to speak to a friendly licensed representative and request a free all-in-one guide. There's no obligation. We're here to help you review your options to see if a WellCare plan is the right decision for you. WellCare has a large network of quality doctors and specialists. And WellCare Medicare Advantage plans come with this all-in-one WellCare Spendables debit card to use for additional dental, vision and hearing costs, over-the-counter health items, even gas and groceries. Get convenient access to care with our telehealth services, including online doctor visits and free fitness benefits with online classes. WellCare has a contract with Medicare to provide Medicare Advantage plans. It's been serving those with Medicare, Medicaid, and prescription drug plans for more than 35 years. Call now. We're here to answer your questions and even assist enrolling you over the phone. Choose a company that puts your health first. WellCare. Call now and get a free copy of our all-in-one guide. 1-844-983-0096.
I used to think I couldn't host shindigs at my place.
Then I found Pretty Litter. My home has never smelled fresher. Plus, it can serve as a fun party trick. Pretty Litter changes color to keep tabs on my cat's health. Did I mention it delivers right to your door?
This is kitty litter? It's so lightweight.
You bet your bottom collar it is. Don't hate me because I'm punny. Get 5-star freshness at prettylitter.com.
Like everything else these days, buying a car is just easier online. But it's also easier to get ripped off. That's why there's bumper.com. Just scan the VIN or type it in, and Bumper's car history report is right at your fingertips. You could be losing lots of money buying a car online if you're not using bumper.com.
We're back with more classic cartoons, starting right now.
Oh, Miss Cookie, you haven't lost a daughter, you've gained a witch.
We see no evil, we hear no evil, we speak no evil. In Jungle Medics.
Far into the interior of the trackless jungle. Well, that should do it. No more aching tooth. Huh? Hey, Sam, what happened to you? I must have boo-booed again. Oh, well, you can't win them all.
Welcome to Cartoon College. Today's subject is Little Red Riding Hood.
Once upon a time, Little Red Riding Hood was skipping through the woods.
The story of the girl in red carrying a basket to Grandma is one of the most parodied fairy tales in all of cartoons. In 1937's Little Red Walking Hood, it becomes a dizzy ride for Red, Grandma, and the Wolf. Director Tex Avery uses sight gags and breaks the fourth wall often, and with hilarious results.
Grandmother! Rather childish and a bit silly, don't you think? What enormous teeth you possess.
Yeah, well, all the better to eat you with.
Silly way to make a living, don't you think?
Little Red Riding Rabbit features a heroine so grating and obnoxious that Bugs Bunny joins the wolf to gang up on her.
Hey, Grandma! I brought a little bunny rabbit for you to have!
Rabbit?
Hey, Grandma, you almost forgot. Grandma, what big eyes you got!
Yeah, I know. All right. Big eyes. Yeah, I know. Goodbye.
Tex Avery's Red Hot Riding Hood is a sizzling take on the tale, and the wolf's the one who gets scorched.
Hey, Daddy, I want a diamond ring, I want some bracelets and everything. Daddy, you better get the best for me. Hey, Daddy, won't I look swell in sables, clothes with Paris labels? Daddy, you better get the best for me.
It's clear that in the world of cartoons, everyone is wild for Red Riding Hood. All the Red Riding Hoods and more are on MeTV Toons. We'll be right back with more classic cartoons after the break.
That ought to hold them for a while.
Take a bite out of Bedrock, home of the original paleo diet.
I need lots of food.
For caveman cuisine, you'll need
roast dodo bird, dinosaur cutlet, brontosaurus burgers, a couple of dinosaur steaks.
He eats as if food is going to be declared illegal any minute.
It's Yabba Dabba Doolicious. So feast your eyes.
Boy, just enough to hold me till dinner.
On the Flintstones, tonight at 7, 6 Central on MeTV Toons.
Hi, I'm Dr. Boyer. I'm a chiropractic physician. Early on in my practice, I was introduced to Balance of Nature. What an amazing product. I love it. I love what it has done for me, and I know what it has done for my patients. It is the best product that I've ever come across.
Splash into your summer with Balance of Nature's summer savings. Get 50% off your first set as a preferred customer with free shipping and our money-back guarantee while supplies last. Claim this offer by using discount code ME.
I have a structured settlement and I need cash now. Call J.G. Wentworth, 877 cash now.
I have an annuity, but I need cash now.
Call J.G. Wentworth, 877 cash now.
It's your money. Use it when you need it.
Call J.G. Wentworth, 877.
Call 877 cash now to get a $100 gift card for a free quote.
Stay tuned to get this 5-piece ultra non-stick bakeware set free from Granite Stone. Are you tired of pots that burn, lids that don't fit, and pans that stick? You know you need a new set, but the prices are so high it makes you sick. Well, get ready for a kitchen full of the most durable ultra non-stick cookware at the most affordable price anywhere. Introducing Granite Stone Blue, the fast, easy way to cook gourmet family meals every day. Each piece of Granite Stone cookware is pressed from a solid aluminum disc for even heat conduction and coated 3 times with our durable ultra non-stick Granite Stone Blue finish. Granite Stone Blue is oven rated up to 500 degrees for outstanding roasting and come with vented tempered glass lids to prevent boilover. Plus, all Granite Stone cookware is 100% dishwasher and metal utensil safe. Look, you'd expect to pay up to $500 for a professional quality cookware set. But during this special TV introduction, you can get the Granite Stone Blue 12-piece set, not for $500, $400, or even $300, but for the factory direct price of just 5 easy payments of $49.95. And for everyone who orders today, we're going to drop 1 payment. You get it all for just 4 easy payments of $49.95. Granite Stone cookware is so durable, it comes with a 10-year warranty. As a bonus, we'll include our self-draining fry basket, stainless steel steamer insert, and the steamer rack, a $50 value, absolutely free. And there's even more. As a special gift, you'll get our 5-piece Granite Stone Blue bakeware set, the fast, easy, ultra non-stick way to bake up your favorite desserts. No grease or oil needed. Together, they're a $110 value, yours free. That's an incredible 20-piece Granite Stone Blue set, all for just 4 easy payments of $49.95. Plus, we'll ship your entire order free. Order now.
To order, call 1-800-309-2104. That's 1-800-309-2104 or order online at granitestoneblue.com.
We now return to more classic cartoons on MeTV Toons.
Starring Charlie Beery, Bessie Beery, and Junior.
We don't have any hot water, Charlie.
Uh-huh. That's nice, dear. Oh, well, he's punished enough.
We'll be right back with more cartoons after these messages. Penelope Pitstop is perpetually pursued, providentially protected by her passionate posse of pint-sized pals from the pesky plans of her perfidious persecutors. The Perils of Penelope Pitstop, weekday mornings at 11:30, 10:30 Central on MeTV Toons.
Before you buy that used car, background check it using Bumper.com. Just scan the VIN or type it in, and Bumper's car history report is right at your fingertips. Has the car been in an accident? How many possible owners were there? What's it worth? Bumper before you buy.
Attention timeshare owners. We're offering you a way to legally get rid of your timeshare. So call right now to qualify and receive a free consultation. You can terminate your timeshare legally and permanently. Call the number on your screen today.
We see you, how you hold your world together, how you're the glue. We see how much you care, how you're a force in everything you do. Even if you can't see the finish line or picture the follow-through, we do. We see how the caring part of you lifts everyone up, an example others look to. You can't help but care, and that care can become your career. Visit ultimatemedical.edu.
If you struggle to keep up with conversations, if you have trouble hearing the TV or radio or in restaurants, Audien Hearing Aids wants you to hear better, because when you hear better, you're going to feel better.
The average cost of hearing aids is nearly $5,000. But what if you could buy a full pair of rechargeable, wireless, almost invisible, comfortable, high-quality hearing aids for only $99? Well, with Audien Hearing Aids, you can. So here's something you should know. Most of that price tag is for doctors and audiologists, for fittings and follow-up appointments, all unnecessary for people with mild to moderate hearing loss. Audien has similar technology to many of those $5,000 hearing aids. Order your full pair of high-quality hearing aids for $99 right over the phone. Try them risk-free for 45 days, and you don't need a hearing test. Money-back guarantee.
1-800-931-4039. 1-800-931-4039.
Life is precious. Thankfully, cats get 9. The Tom and Jerry Show, coming up next.
We now return to more classic cartoons.
Here we go again.
On MeTV Toons.
Take a bow. Charge!
Thanks for watching The Woody Woodpecker Show. More classic cartoons are coming up on MeTV Toons.
Yabba dabba 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 doo.
How about a game of cat and mouse? The Tom and Jerry Show is coming up.
Poor Tom. In a few minutes, it'll all be over. And for the first time since he met her, he'll be happy.